We are now visiting Yunomine Onsen, one of Japan's oldest hot springs and a hidden gem for relaxation and healing. Nestled in the heart of Yokohama Prefecture, Yunomine Onsen has been soothing weary travelers for over 1,000 years. Ready to soak up some history and tranquility? Imagine this. Yunomine Onsen is not just any hot spring. It is an integral part of the Kumano-Kudo pilgrimage. Pilgrims have been coming here to purify themselves before visiting the sacred Kumano Sanzen shrines. The mineral-rich waters of Yunomine Onsen are believed to have healing properties, making it a perfect spot to rejuvenate your body and spirits. And here is a fun fact to impress your friends. Yunomine Onsen is home to the only UNESCO World Heritage listed hot spring bath in the world. Tsuboyu, a tiny rustic bathhouse, allows you to enjoy a private soak in its historic water. It's said that soaking in Tsuboyu can bring good luck, so don't miss the chance to experience this unique bath. As you wander through the charming village, you'll notice that Yunomine Onsen still retains its old-world charm. These picturesque streets, traditional inns, and steam rising from the hot spring create a serene atmosphere that feels like stepping back in time. And while you're here, why not try cooking your own meal in the hot spring? Yeah, that's right. At Yunomine Onsen, you can boil eggs and vegetables in the hot spring water. It is a fun and delicious way to experience the onsen culture. And here is a tip. Book your meal in advance at your hotel or hostel, as there is no restaurant in Yunomine Onsen. Before you leave, don't forget to snap a photo of the scenic onsen village and tag us at Phuket Explorer. Au revoir, and keep exploring.